Why don't you ever play hide and seek with a Toyota Highlander and a Ford Explorer? Because the Ford always gets lost, and the Highlander never comes back down from the mountains. And now, let us look at 11 critical differences between the two. Let's compare the differences between the Toyota Highlander and the Ford Explorer, two popular models in the full-size SUV market. Difference 1. The first difference between the Toyota Highlander and the Ford Explorer lies in their manufacturing companies. The Highlander is produced by Toyota, a Japanese automobile manufacturer known for producing reliable and durable vehicles. On the other hand, the Explorer is made by Ford, an American company recognized for ruggedness and performance. Difference 2. In terms of engine, the Ford Explorer offers a larger range of engines with a standard 2, 3L turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, a 3, 0L EcoBoost V6 and a 3L hybrid engine option. The Highlander, on the other hand, comes standard with a 3, 5L V6 engine and offers a 2, 5L 4-cylinder hybrid option. Difference 3 is about the fuel efficiency. With its hybrid option, the Toyota Highlander has a slight advantage in terms of gas mileage. The Highlander's gas mileage averages around 24 city 20 highway, whereas the Ford Explorer averages 21 city 16 highway. Difference 4. Toyota Highlander provides seating for up to 8 people, while Ford Explorer provides seating for 7, giving the Highlander a slight advantage when it comes to passenger space. Difference 5 involves the towing capacity. The Ford Explorer, when properly equipped, can tow up to 5,600 pounds, while the Toyota Highlander's towing capacity reaches up to 5,000 pounds only. Difference 6 is in terms of off-road capabilities. Ford Explorer offers better off-road capabilities with its terrain management system, more ground clearance, and a rear-wheel drive platform, while the Highlander has more of a city-friendly tune. Difference 7. When it comes to reliability, Toyota generally has a better reputation. According to the JD Power Ratings data, the Highlander tends to fare better than the Explorer for long-term dependability. Difference 8. The Explorer comes standard with a rear-wheel drive, which traditionally offers better handling and balance, while the Highlander comes standard with front-wheel drive. Difference 9. In the technology and entertainment department, the Ford Explorer offers a larger 12.3-inch digital instrument panel compared to Highlander's 8-inch touchscreen. Difference 10. The Highlander has slightly more cargo space when all seats are folded down, offering 84.3 cubic feet versus the Explorer's 81.7 cubic feet. Difference 11. Lastly, the safety equipment varies between both models. While both vehicles are equipped with advanced safety features, Toyota's Safety Sense P suite, which includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic high beams, is standard on all Highlanders. Ford's Co-Pilot 360 suite, which also includes similar safety features, is standard on the Explorer, but some features like adaptive cruise control are only available as options on higher trims.